We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 410, part 1. DRYTRON versus PK Fire. I lose this one. There we go. Reinforcements of the army is getting like a Musha Knight. Normal summon effect. And then effect to special. Linked off for Cherubini and Graph, Seer, Cherubini, Dump. Whoa. Link for Rusty, Seer, Special from Grave, Rusty, Dump, and Set, Cloak, Banish, and Add, Scales, Summon from Grave, Scales, what the heck? Discard, and Dump, Special, Exe's, Effect, Discard, Special from Banish, Effect, Switch, Add, Increase attack by 800. Effect, Banish, Add, Shade. Shade, since there's no trap, you could activate it when it was set. Okay. How the heck did he get this guy? I have no idea. For sold. Dump. Special. What the hell happened there? Discard a special summon, you can target one fire warrior or one equipped spell. That is in your banished or graveyard. Add it to your hand. Accept itself. Apple. Living Fossil. Special summon Ash. Break Sword. Goes into Utopic Future. Goes into Utopic Draco Future. Gloves. Banish. Sent to the graveyard. It's my set. Then Foolish. Gamma. Tribute Zeta. Apo. Decrease attack by 800, negate. Alpha, Tribute Zeta. Apo. Decrease attack by 800, negate. Set. Protect my life points. Rusty. Send. To set. Oh, he's got double Fog Blade. Cloak, Banish, Add, Greaves, Scales, Summon, Greaves, Special, off a Break Sword, Rusty, for Dark, Xyz, what? Dark Xyz monster. Special summon to a zone, discard points to. You can target one card and field and destroy it. And we pop the high rate draw. Break Sword. It's gonna. What is Break Sword's effect? Whoa! Let's return. You can attach, target one card in the field. One card you control and destroy it. Oh, double pop there, pop himself. Cloak, switch to defense, add attack, portal sword, or a portal sword. Access code and Scrubian wins. Flawless victory. Burn. And part 2. I'm gonna be using a different deck after this. Well, Nova will get negated by Ash. Set the droplet. That's all I could do. Reinforcements Army, Kagamusha Knight. Normal summon effect. Effect, special. Special from deck. Effects negated. Grave effect. Special from deck. Effect, dump. And it's gonna add. It's gonna gain. Oppo. Seer is gonna get back Cherubini. I thought Droplet was gonna make its attack to 0, but guess not. Cloak banish to add a card. Shade, special, Greaves, special, special, Rusty, dump, set. Special boots. Was that a special? Levier, effect, detach, special from banish, cloak, switch to defense, increase attack by 800. Boots, banish, add fogblade. Scales, special summon from the graveyard. Scales, discard, dump gloves, Xyz, Verdante, effect. It's gonna detach and send to the graveyard. Okay. Each card sent to the graveyard. Okay. Attack, attack, attack. Oh, TK. Scrubian wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I thought I made this video. I guess not. Let's check out his deck. He does have a deck 410. We were at silver, 1154. What the heck? Went down, 1136. Check out his deck, 410. For what happened to 409? Oh, he probably didn't have a deck, yeah. 40 cards, let the net decking begin. I swear I think I made this video before. But when I checked, it wasn't there. 410 was not in there. We were at 260. Still at 260. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.